Is it just me or the school system have added so much more events compared to when we were in school? When I was in school, I only remember open house and the damn carnival. My kids' school now, they have events every single week. Family movie night for 20 bucks, eating out with the grandparents for 5 bucks. Cowboy days, and now they got the cultural heritage where my daughter's gonna do a fashion show representing Vietnamese culture, and she wants me to make a Vietnamese dish. My wife loves to sign up for these events and she makes me work hard for it, y'all. So now I'm very creative. I wanna make something special. I don't want to make pho because I don't want to carry a big ass pot of soup going to the school with a bunch of bowls and noodles. I don't want to make Vietnamese sandwich because that's a lot of bread and that's expensive. I'm trying to cut costs. I'm going to make this dish called caramelized belly pork, or you can call it thịt kho ba chỉ in Vietnamese. This is poor people food. They eat it a lot with rice, but it's so good, y'all. The way I did this, I chop up the pork belly. I also have shrimp. I'm going to go ahead and stir fry it. I'm going to season it with mushroom powder, salt, sugar, ginger, garlic, onion, soy sauce, fish sauce, and you gotta add some honey. Go ahead and season it up, y'all. Stir it, and that's how it should look like at the end, y'all. And you gotta eat it with rice on this dish. And this dish right here, once you have one bite, you're gonna come back for more. Trust me, it is so good. And at the end, I gotta do a taste test, and that's my daughter's fashion show, y'all. Looking cute. Is it just